Holdridge Lake has brook. It's supposed to have brook trout. So there's a nice spot over there, right off the rock. It's got lots of. Would have been easier to drive over there, start over there, but too many people down there, so we got a little ways to go. It's too shallow. I'm still looking for a brook trout. Just a little guy. I think they're largemouth here though. They're a little darker. Let's see him coming. He's just a little small guy. But I got a little tiny hook, so he can have all the fun he can. Come here. Come here, buddy. And just a little guy. Come here. Just a little tiny one. There you go. There we go. Well, bass right here. Took it right here, just sitting here. I was just about to grab a smoke. Come on, baby, jump. He's throwing out all the food. Everything. Come here. I'm not sure what. Holy shit, another bass right there. Just a lot of bass in here, man. Come here. Come here. That's not a bad one. Holy pig. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Come here. Oh, fuck, man. I better not put a minnow on there, or I won't fucking have a smoke. Okay, watch how freaking hungry the fish are here. Watch. My line's not even in the water. Watch this. That's a freaking bass, okay? Get out of there, you little fucker. There's a big one right there. There's like 10 bass below me. One. There it is. Yeah. For a brookie. I haven't had even a hit off a brook. It's all been bass. And they are really hitting heavy in this lake. One cast. Oh, what is that? Baby bass. That is a baby. Look at these fucking things, man. Like really? Little baby bass. Come here, you. Come here. Look at these little fuckers. Look at that. Get in there, you. Look. Okay, well, we got the camera on now. No signs of brookies. But again, I might have the wrong gear on. I'm used to catching them in creeks, not lakes. Oh yeah, got one already. Probably another bass. Yeah, he spit out. Look at the freaking bass down there. Look at him go. Come on, buddy. There's got to be like 10 of them down there. Like, see them down there? Come here, buddy. Come here. You're not going anywhere. Look at them all down there. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4. Fucking bass, just bass. That's not a bad one. But, oh, there you go. Nicely done. I'll have to fucking take it out of your mouth. Well, it seems to be just bass. All I'm doing is feeding the fuckers. Fuck, it must be hungry in here, man. Oh, little guy again. Come. Oh, see, little guys, just little babies. This place is full of lots of little guys. There's a few big ones in here, but lots of small, tiny bass. Come here. I don't know if you can see. He's actually putting up a good fight for a little guy. There you go. Look at that, eh? Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh yeah, he's turning himself out. Hopefully he jumps off the hook. Come here, buddy. Just a little guy. Could be even a rock bass. Almost looks like him, but it's not. It's a bass. Come here. I can't get it out of him. Fucking bass, man. All it is bass. I don't want bass. I don't want. Okay, well, I'm paddling back. I fished that whole area down there, all through there. It's actually a pretty big lake. It's a little too much for this thing here. I was gonna try that little bay down there, but I just got too tired. So, it's full of bass. A little smallmouth. Okay, well, I'm all packed up here. T-shirt today. Well, that was a lake. It was, oh, no trout. Lots of bass.